kittens one stormy night began to quarrel and then to fight. One had a mouse, the other had none, and that's the way the quarrel begun. Oh, look at them. They are getting real angry. They are facing each other. Ooh, I think they're gonna have a little fight here. Two felines quarreling over a little mouse. Let's look, let's see what's gonna happen here with these two little kittens. There were once two cats of Kilkenny. Each thought there was one cat too many. So they fought and they fit and they scratched and they bit, till accepting their nails and the tips of their tails, instead of two cats, there weren't any. Mouse, said the biggest cat. You'll have that mouse, we'll see about that. I will have that mouse, said the eldest son. You shan't have that mouse, said the little one. Oh, look, they are really fighting now. There is a right paw to the left whisker. Would you look at all that fur, it's flying. I can't believe they're hitting each other like this. It's astounding.